how to log in to Pluralsight. So if you want to log into your Pluralsight, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Pluralsight. And here on the first search you will have www.pluralsight.com. Click on that. And now here you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Click on that, and then you can choose any account that you would like to sign in. So you can sign into your skills or Cloud Guru or Flow. So I'll be choosing this first, and it will take you to the login page. So here on the first blank you need to enter your username or your email address, and after entering that, here you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. Simply go for that, and then you can reset or recover your password. And if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then click on sign in, and you'll be signed into your account or you'll be logged into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create an account, and then you can create an account on Pluralsight. So you can choose any one of these accounts, and after choosing you can go for, and after that you can create your account. So if you already have an account, then you can simply go for sign in, and then you can enter your information like your email, username and password, and then click on sign in, and that's it. That's how you sign in. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.